Mullah Baradar Akhund, the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs, held a meeting with the former Executive Director of the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, Pino Arlacchi, in his office to discuss the ongoing battle against narcotics in Afghanistan and future collaboration between Afghanistan and the international community in this area. During the meeting, Mullah Baradar Akhund highlighted the Islamic Emirate's significant efforts over the past 2.5 years to combat drug cultivation and smuggling, resulting in a drastic reduction in production and trafficking. He emphasized the rehabilitation efforts undertaken by the Islamic Emirate, including the treatment and vocational training of thousands of drug addicts to integrate them into society and provide employment opportunities. He also noted that the establishment of an independent system and improved security in Afghanistan has laid a solid foundation for promoting alternative crops, inviting international organizations to support this endeavor. Pino Arlacchi, the former Executive Director of the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, commended the Islamic Emirate's anti-drug initiatives and stressed the international community's responsibility to assist in providing alternative livelihoods for Afghan farmers. He expressed the intention to organize an international conference in Kabul soon, aiming to garner financial support for implementing alternative crop programs in Afghanistan through international cooperation.